Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're delving into a fascinating story from the world of space exploration, where China's space program is facing new challenges after an unexpected encounter in orbit. Recently, the Shenzhou 20 spacecraft had a surprise collision with space debris, prompting the 3 astronauts on board to seek refuge in the Tiangong space station. This incident highlights the considerable efforts China is making to ensure the safety of its astronauts and their safe return to Earth. Following the collision, China's Manned Space Agency announced that rigorous testing is underway on a backup capsule designed for emergency crew return. This capsule has been meticulously prepared for such contingencies, and officials have assured that everything is proceeding according to plan. This preparedness is part of China's broader strategy to handle unforeseen incidents in space. The Tiangong space station, spanning 180 feet, is uniquely equipped to accommodate 2 crews simultaneously. This capability became essential after the arrival of the Shenzhou 21 crew, who took over from the crew involved in the incident. While having 2 crews on the station is uncommon, Tiangong's design allows for this possibility. Reports reveal that both crews are working harmoniously to conduct scientific experiments, demonstrating the station's ability to handle unexpected pressures and operate efficiently under challenging conditions. Despite significant technological advances, China faces ongoing challenges in managing space debris. The authorities have not disclosed the exact nature of the damage to Shenzhou 20, leading to some public concern over the transparency of the safety measures in place. Some experts suggest that if the Shenzhou 21 spacecraft is used to return the stranded crew, the current crew might be left without a return vehicle for a period, necessitating the launch of a new spacecraft to ensure their safe journey back to Earth. This recent encounter with space debris underscores the complexity of space missions and the need for readiness to tackle unforeseen risks. China's diligent efforts in testing the backup capsule and coordinating between crews reflect a strong commitment to astronaut safety. Despite the hurdles, ongoing work and technological innovation continue to offer novel solutions, ensuring success in space exploration. Learning from this experience will help China refine its strategies and bolster its standing as a leading force in space. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the ever-evolving realm of science.